Namaste, beautiful souls. Welcome to Cow Mantra, Embrace Divine Grace, your sacred space for spiritual wisdom, divine mantras, and soulful transformations. Whether you're here seeking peace, enlightenment, or answers to life's deepest mysteries, we're so grateful you've joined us on this journey. Sit back, open your heart, and let the divine light guide you.
For thousands of years, across countless cultures and spiritual traditions, humans have recognized the extraordinary power of sacred sounds. From the resonant Aum in Hindu and Buddhist practices to the rhythmic chants of Gregorian monks, from the healing hymns of indigenous shamans to modern affirmations used in psychotherapy, mantras have served as bridges between the material and the mystical. But what was once considered purely spiritual is now being validated by cutting-edge science. Researchers in fields ranging from neuroscience to quantum physics are uncovering the remarkable ways in which these vibrational tools actually reshape our biology, rewire our brains, and recalibrate our emotional states. This isn't just ancient wisdom. It's a profound intersection of spirituality and science that's revolutionizing our understanding of human potential. At its core, a mantra is much more than a repeated word or phrase. The Sanskrit term breaks down into man, mind, and tra, instrument, literally meaning a tool for the mind. Ancient practitioners understood something that modern science is only now beginning to grasp: that specific sound frequencies can directly influence consciousness. When we examine this through the lens of physics, we enter the fascinating world of cymatics, the study of visible sound vibrations. Pioneering work by scientists like Hans Jenny has shown how sound waves create intricate geometric patterns in water, sand, and other mediums. These experiments reveal that frequency and vibration are fundamental organizing principles in our universe. Given that the human body is approximately 60% water, it becomes clear why we are so profoundly affected by sound. Every cell in our body acts as a tiny resonator, responding to the vibrations around us, including those we create through chanting. One of the most studied mantras, the primordial sound Om, vibrates at 136.1 Hz, a frequency that remarkably aligns with the Earth's own electromagnetic pulse known as the Schumann resonance. This isn't mere coincidence, but suggests an ancient understanding of humanity's deep connection to planetary rhythms. When we chant Om, we're essentially tuning our personal vibration to match that of the Earth itself, creating a state of harmonic resonance. Modern biofeedback research shows that this synchronization leads to measurable changes in brainwave activity, shifting from the stressed, scattered beta state, 14 to 30 Hz, to the calm, focused alpha state, 8 to 13 Hz, and even deeper into the meditative theta range, 4 to 7 Hz. These altered states are associated with enhanced creativity, profound insight, and accelerated healing. The neurological effects of mantras are perhaps even more astonishing. Functional MRI studies reveal that repetitive mantra chanting decreases activity in the brain's default mode network, DMN, the region responsible for mind-wandering, self-referential thoughts, and the endless mental chatter that characterizes anxiety and depression. A landmark study from Harvard Medical School demonstrated that experienced meditators could quiet this network significantly more than novices, explaining why long-term practitioners report greater emotional stability and presence. Furthermore, EEG scans show that mantra meditation increases coherence between the brain's hemispheres, creating what neuroscientists call whole brain synchronization. This state is associated with peak performance, heightened intuition, and what athletes describe as being in the zone. Perhaps the most profound physiological impact occurs through the vagus nerve, the longest cranial nerve that connects the brain to the heart, lungs, and digestive system. Often called the nerve of compassion, the vagus nerve is the primary pathway of the parasympathetic nervous system, our body's natural relaxation response. Research from the University of California demonstrates that humming and chanting dramatically increase vagal tone, which improves heart rate variability, a key marker of stress resilience, enhances immune function, and reduces systemic inflammation. The vibrations created during mantra repetition stimulate the vagus nerve in ways similar to advanced biofeedback techniques, explaining why traditions have used chanting for millennia to treat everything from insomnia to digestive disorders. On an emotional level, mantras function as vibrational medicine for stored trauma. Pioneers in somatic therapy like Dr. Peter Levine have shown how unprocessed emotions become trapped in the body's tissues. The resonant frequencies of mantras appear to shake loose these energetic blockages, often leading to spontaneous emotional releases during practice. This explains why participants in sound healing sessions sometimes experience unexpected tears, laughter, or profound relief without any conscious psychological processing. The vibrations seem to bypass the thinking mind and work directly on the nervous system, facilitating what trauma experts call bottom-up processing. The biochemical changes are equally impressive. Studies measuring saliva and blood samples before and after mantra meditation show significant reductions in cortisol, the stress hormone, and increases in DHEA, an anti-aging hormone. Group chanting sessions have been found to boost oxytocin levels, the bonding hormone, which may explain why spiritual communities that chant together often report strong feelings of connection and unity. Even more remarkably, research in epigenetics suggests that consistent mantra practice can actually influence gene expression, particularly in genes related to stress response and cellular repair. Practical application of this science is beautifully simple. Whether using traditional Sanskrit mantras like Aum Namah Shivaya, Buddhist chants like Aum Mani Padme Hum, or personalized affirmations, the key lies in consistent repetition. Neuroscience suggests that 12 to 15 minutes daily is optimal for creating lasting neural changes. Combining mantras with conscious breathing enhances the effect, as the rhythm of respiration entrains the nervous system into coherence. Many traditions recommend 108 repetitions, a number considered sacred across multiple wisdom traditions, and one that coincidentally aligns with the time needed to create significant brainwave changes. As we stand at the crossroads of ancient wisdom and modern science, the therapeutic potential of mantras is only beginning to be understood. Hospitals are incorporating mantra meditation into cardiac rehabilitation programs, schools are using it to help children with ADHD, and corporations are adopting it for executive performance training. Advanced technologies like fMRI and quantum biofeedback devices are giving us unprecedented views into how these sacred sounds reshape our biology in real time. What emerges is a revolutionary understanding. Mantras are not merely spiritual tools, but sophisticated neuroacoustic technologies that our ancestors developed through millennia of experimentation. In a world increasingly dominated by noise pollution and digital distraction, the intentional use of sound may be one of our most powerful remedies. As we chant, we're not just speaking words, we're reprogramming our nervous systems, harmonizing with Earth's frequencies, and perhaps most importantly, reclaiming our innate capacity for healing and transformation. The science is clear. These vibrational tools can help us rewrite our stress responses, enhance our cognitive abilities, and unlock states of consciousness that bridge the gap between who we are and who we might become. The implications are profound. In an age where mental health crises are reaching epidemic proportions and chronic stress is undermining our collective well-being, mantras offer an accessible, scientifically validated path to resilience and awakening. They remind us that we are not separate from the vibrational fabric of the universe, but active participants in a cosmic symphony of sound. As both ancient mystics and modern scientists would agree, to change your vibration is to change your reality. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the science of mantras, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. We'd love to hear how mantras have impacted your life. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep vibrating higher.